Hello GTU students, welcome to my channel. Here we provide important question bank on Department of Computer Engineering IMP questions subject, Scripting Language Python, 4330701, semester, 3rd 1. List and explain features of Python. 2. Write application of Python. 3. Explain basic structure of Python program. 4. Explain keyword, identifier and variable. 5. Explain data type with example. 6. Explain input and print method of Python. 7. List out operator and explain bitwise operator. 8. Explain Python selection statements with flowchart, syntax and example. 9. Explain while loop with flowchart, syntax and example. 10. Explain for loop and nested for loop with flowchart, syntax and example. 11. Explain switch case statement with flowchart, syntax and example. 12. Explain break, continue and pass statement with flowchart, syntax and example. 13. Define list. Write characteristics of list. 14. How to create a list. Explain append, extend, insert, and delete operations on list. 15. Write characteristics of tuple. Explain indexing and slicing in tuple. 16. Write characteristics of set. Explain add, update, remove, and discard method of set. 17. How Python set is modified. Or explain mathematical operations on set, union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. 18. Write characteristics of dictionary. Explain operations on dictionary. 19. Define function. Why do we need it? 20. Give difference between user-defined function and built-in function. 21. What is recursion? Explain with example. 22. What are modules in Python? Write example of user-defined module. 23. List out method of rand module. Explain any 4 with example. 24. Explain any 5 mathematical functions of math module. 25. Explain main classes of date and time module with one example. 26. List out types of plots in matplotlib. Explain any one with example. 27. What is package? How to create and import package. Explain with example. 28. Write down steps for pip installation. 29. How to use slicing operator for string. Explain with example. 30. Explain following function with example. isAlnum, isAlpha, isDigit, isIdentifier, isLower, isUpper, and isSpace. 31. Explain following function with example. Ends with, starts with, find, rfind, count. 32. List out formatting function and explain any 2. 33. Explain open and close for file with example. 34. Explain read, read line, and read lines for file with example. 35. Explain write, append, and write lines for file with example.